Have you ever installed an application on your phone and realized it's packed with ads, like a lot of advertisements, limited features, or you have to pay for every little thing? Or maybe you've wondered why some tools are free but still more powerful than the paid ones. That's the world of open source, and it's one of the reasons Linux is so powerful. A lot of beginners struggle with Linux because they don't understand what open source really means. Without this foundation, Linux just feels like a confusing operating system. But once you understand clearly open source, everything else makes a lot of sense. So you may ask, what exactly is open source? Open source means the source code is freely available. Anyone can use it, anyone can modify it, anyone can share it, you can tweak it as much as you like. Unlike paid or closed software like Windows or Microsoft Office, open source is community driven. Examples you already use are Android, VLC Media Player, Firefox, LibreOffice, even WhatsApp encryption libraries. Linux is one of the biggest open source projects ever created, powering everything from your Android phone to servers running Google, Facebook, and even space missions. Beginners fear Linux because they think it's too technical, only for hackers or big tech companies. Truth is, Linux was built for everyone. And because it's open source, it's free to learn, free to use, and supported by a global community. That means when you are learning Linux, you are not just learning commands, you are gaining access to worldwide skill sets that companies are desperate for. Here is the mindset shift. Linux is not about memorizing commands at all. It's about understanding open source and learning how to use freely available tools to solve real world problems. If you can keep this in mind, every lesson we take from here will start to feel less intimidating and more empowering. The Mobile Prof Academy, our mission is to remove confusion and break Linux into simple, mobile-friendly lessons that fix your real struggles. That is fear of the terminal, too many scattered resources all over the place, or not knowing where to start. This way, you are not just preparing for the Linux Essentials examination, you are building confidence, actually use Linux in real life. In the next lesson, we will take this further by looking at the different Linux distributions, what they are, why there are so many, and how to choose the right one for you. So remember, all we're all about is simplifying Linux for you to pass your LPR exam in flying colors, and also for you to be able to do real world projects and apply this to real life solutions. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.